Hello everybody, welcome to my channel psl-comprehensive. If you like my videos, subscribe, and if you want to get notified as soon as I upload a video, please click on the bell icon. Hello guys, this video is all about the unboxing of Caddy, which is replaced with DVD-ROM in your laptop to upgrade your system to SSD or extend your hard disk if you want to. I bought it from Amazon. I got it for 500 rupees and the link is in the description. It comes in a plastic box. In the box we find the Caddy itself and the screwdriver. It just looks like the DVD. And this front panel can be replaced with our system panel so that it will be similar to that of our laptop. They come in different sizes. This is of 9.5 mm. We need to select depending on the DVD size our laptop uses. It is made up of metal, it's strong and not delicate. It comes with the SATA and power supply slots to fix our hard disk. On the back it looks like this. It has screws to tighten the hard disk, which we are going to insert. So this way we are going to insert the SSD. Just slide it after placing inside the Caddy. Make sure it matches the holes with the Caddy and the hard disk. To remove it, you have to slide it backwards. If you want to know more about the SSD or the unboxing of SSD, you can click on the card shown above. There's another video where I have done the unboxing of SSD. That's it for the video guys. In the next video I shall show you how to replace this with the DVD and upgrade the laptop. I'm going to upgrade my Lenovo laptop, so don't forget to check out my next video.